So today we're looking at this, the Gopro versus the Apeman A80. Now, I do quite like it, it's quite nice actually. Ooh. So what do you get in the box? Well, in the box you get pretty much everything you need actually. Underwater case, 2 batteries, you get this case as well, which is always good. You don't normally get a case. Loads of accessories, chargers, loads of mounts. These all add up, you see. People don't realise how much all this extra stuff costs. But it does come down to video quality. Now, what are we expecting from this? Are we expecting GoPro killer? Are we expecting something that's just as good? Or are we expecting something that obviously meets its value for money in the market? And so far, it's pretty good. So obviously we'll eventually take it out and go places with it. But at the moment we're just going to toss around the house as we normally do. So they're literally side by side. It's nice though. It's got a bit of a better brightness, hasn't it? It sounds dead dark there, but this is still quite viewable. It's very nice. So here we are in the kitchen. Once again, nice bright screen's pretty good actually. It's hard to tell what the colours are like, but hopefully we're looking for some good results. Now, the A80 you can get for £70 compared to the GoPro, which you're using here, which the current version is £500. £500. But yeah, I think it works pretty well. Oh, it said something. It speaks, but I don't know what it says. Anyway, that'll do for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.